Di mo na ako mag-start mag-workout. Wala pa naman akong equipment. Di pa kasi ako bilan ni mama ng yung mga kailangan ko sa pag-workout. Bro, seryoso? 2025 na, ganyan pa rin mindset mo. Listen to me, bro. Don't use this equipment as an excuse. Fuck, ang bigat. Bro, you can build a muscle by start doing a push-up or free weight exercises. Did you know that those who had a good physique right now, o yung magaganda yung katawan, nag-start din sila by small, by doing push-up on their rooms. So don't wait to get equipments to start your fitness journey. 2 years na ako nag-home workout, or they call calisthenics workout from now. And ito yung katawan ko, nag-start pala ako. And the reason kaya nag-start ako, dahil sa bullying. Back then, nung quarantine, sobrang addict ko dati maglaro ng ML. At dahil dun napabayaan ko yung katawan ko. At sobrang payat ko dati. The point na, naiiyak na ako lumabas ng bahay. Kasi every time lumalabas ako, sinasabihan ako ng mga tambay o kapitbahay na kalansay or payatot. But I'm grateful na I found this app on Play Store and it's called Home Workout with no equipment. Dati gusto ko lang dati magkaroon ng abs.
Oh, I want abs!
Kahit sobrang payat ko. And it takes me a years to build this body. For just doing a push-ups and yung mga activity na pinapagawa dun
20
sa app na yun.
seconds. Jumping jack.
And ito yung dating record ko. Naka 114 workout ako dito. Pero dati pa to and dinilit ko yung yung una. Sad to see ganito nangyari sa katawan natin ngayon. Pero babawiin pa rin naman natin yun. So just start right now, bro. Promise, you won't regret it. Ending with day 6 of Mock Mode Challenge. See you guys. Bye-bye.